Hey guys, I'm your Statier aka Anand. In this video, you'll learn how to make a lightweight portable wrestling ring made from cardboard, shall we? I've been using this custom ring for almost 8 years. Time to upgrade. You asked what's inside, let me show you. Not what you expect. Just a couple of used notebooks which is stacked and stick together, almost as heavy as a rock. What looks underneath, you ask? I'm made from joining two flex force rings. Time to let go of the past and step into the future, shall we? Now first, grab a sturdy piece of cardboard. I'm using a rectangular one, though a squared one would be ideal, but either works just fine. I'm using a butter paper for the ring mattress. Everything in this video is super cheap. You can find it all at a nearby store. And for the ring post, grab 8 pencils. Use a large scale to mark up to 21 cm for height. Adjust based on your pencil. Do the same for all. The basic structure for the ring post is done. Now let's add Seth Rollins' favorite part of the ring, that is turnbuckles. Don't stick it too firmly yet. We need it to stay mobile so it can reach all the 4 posts. Accordingly, hang tight, I'll show you how. Now take the measurements as shown on the screen. You can adjust them to your needs. I'm marking at 3, 6.5 and 10 centimeters with a 3.5 centimeter gap between each of them. Now place the cellotape over the straws and stick them right in the middle of each mark area. Do this for all the sides. And hey, don't forget to take breaks. It's important. And look how cool this turnbuckle has turned out to be. It's flexible, so don't worry. Add few more layers of tape for strength. As for the ropes, they're just fine. This setup works for me. Now repeat the process and color the ring black. And to make the turnbuckle pads, use any material. I'm using a black sticker and a clear sellotape. Stick them together so the sticky side isn't exposed anymore. Cut a small slit at the top and bottom, then tape the ends until it looked like this. I use the same trick for making wrestler knee pads. let's test the ring with some moves. Time to compare my custom rings. First up, the old one. It's smaller and definitely heavier. I'm retiring it because the new one is just better in every single way. Hope this was easy for you as it looked to make. Cause hit the like if you enjoyed this video, try it out and drop a comment if you made one. You can proudly say we got a wrestling ring at home. And hey, if you want my old custom ring, just DM me on my Instagram @trysaw. Also, should I make my own website in the future? Let me know about it. And if you like this video and want more, check out my playlist Custom DIY. It's packed with all the custom builds I've made over the years. Until next time, thank you for spending while with F channel. Peace.